The ALASTIN TransFORM is a body cream that actually firms and tones your skin by moisturizing. So this has been so pivotal for me. I have two kids, a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old, and I definitely noticed that my skin kind of felt a little crepey, a little saggy, not as toned and nice as I wanted. So this has made such a difference. I use this all over. So I'll use this on my chest, on my stomach, on my hips, on my thighs, all those areas that postpartum I really felt like had kind of, sagged or changed a little bit. And this has really been helpful. So to show you what it looks like, it comes out as kind of this beige lotion. A little bit goes a really long way, but you can just apply it easily to your skin. You can rub it in and it dries almost instantaneously. It really hydrates your skin and it doesn't leave like any type of weird greasy feeling. It's really like just very soft and easy to use. What I really love is it's anti-aging, so it's good for my skin. You can apply this every morning, every evening. I tend to only do it once a day, but I've just found it really has made a difference in the overall appearance of my skin. I feel more confident. I'm wearing my bikinis again because I feel like this has really kind of reduced some of those crepey areas of my skin where even postpartum, after I've gotten back to me, I maybe felt like my skin kind of could have used a little bit of tweaking, and this product really worked.